Hi there, Melody from WTI. And I'm sure you've heard of soap on a rope, but have you heard of soap in a bag? Let me show you how awesome these soap bags are for every person that needs to exfoliate and to just clean their skin with their favorite bars of soap. This two-piece soap bag set from Zomchi is perfect for deep exfoliating. It's made out of this ultra durable, high quality nylon fiber material, so it's going to last a long time. This set from Zomchi has two different bags for different reasons. One is a little bit softer than the other, so it's going to be perfect to get that deep, clean, but gentle exfoliating on your face. And then we have the other bag that's got a little bit of a tougher exfoliating material on it. So it's going to be better for that deep clean and skin invigorating, refreshing feeling. Super easy to use. You just put the soap right in the little pocket here. Easy to hold. Look at how rich and foamy this lather is. Just love how easy it is. It's kind of like using a loofah sponge, and it's great for getting rid of all that dead skin and to give us that really good deep cleaning. And to dry it, you just hang it, and all those extra little soap bits, you just put them in the pocket and use it all over again. No waste. I think they're the perfect pair. So give these soap bags from Zomchi a try. You're going to be impressed with them. I know it, just like I was. And that's my point of view.